Students, how are you? Prep 2 today will solve from weekly assessment number 4 in this year 2025 first term. First, we'll solve home performance homework. Question number 1. Answer the following. Find the simplest form of each of the following. First question, we have square root of 27. We know 27 equal 9 times 3. And square root of 9 equal 3. Then the answer will be 3 root 3. And question number 2, square root of 8 equal, we know 8 equivalent 2 times 4. And square root of 4 equal 2. Then the answer will be 2 root 2. Question number 3, letter C, this letter B, and letter C, cubic root of 16. We can write cubic root of 16 equal 8 times 2. Because cubic root of 8 equal 2, then the result will be 2 cubic root of 2. Okay. Next question, now letter D. We have 4 product by square root of half. We must write 4 under this square root. By product 4 by itself, we must write 4 down here, 4 by 4 times half. Okay, and 4 divided by 2 times 4 equal 8. Okay. And square root of 8, we know 2 times 4 equal 8. 8 equal 4 times 2. Square root of 4 equal 2. Then the answer will be 2 root 2 in the simplest form. Okay. Next question. Number 2. Find the simplest form of this number. We have square root of 108. Square root of 108 subtract by square root of 48 plus 2 square root of 27 plus square root of 75. We want two numbers. The product of them equal 108. If we divided this number by 2, it will be 45. And also we can write this number by what? Right here, 108. You can factorize this number. 108 divided by 2 equal 5, and 8 divided by 2 4. 54 divided by 2 equal 27. 27 divided by 3 equal 9. 9 divided by 3 equal 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. Then we have square root of this number. We can choose 2 and 2 and 3 and 3. Then we can write here 2 times 2, 2 times 3 equals 6. Write 6 outside and 3 down. Understood? We factorize this number and write here. Choose from each two repeating numbers one digit outside 2 and here 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. Choose here 2 and here 3. 2 times 3 6, and the remainder 3 down here. Then 108 equals 3 times 36. Understood? Then 36 square root of 36 equals 6. Or you can write here 36 product by 3. Okay, and then square root of 48 equal 3 times 16. Square root of 27. 27 equal 9 times 3. And square root of 27 equal 25 product by 3. 25 product by 3. Square root of 36 equals 6. 6 product by square root of 3. Subtract by square root of 16, 4 square root of 3. And square root of 9, 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. Understood? Square root of 9, 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. Square root of 25, 5. 5 square root of 3. Then 6 minus 4, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 5 equals 13. Then the answer will be 13 square root of 3. Understood? Next question. Find the simplest form of this example. Square root of 24 cubic root of 24 plus cubic root of 81 subtract by 5 product by cubic root of 3. We can write cubic root of 24. 24 equal 8 times 3 because cubic root of 8 equal 2. Then you can write here 8 product by 2. 8 product by 3. Okay. And cubic root of 81 equal 27 times 3. And also write 5 cubic root of 3. Cubic root of 8 equal 2. then the answer will be 2 cubic root of 3. And cubic root of 27 equal 3. 3 product by cubic root of 3. Subtract by 5 cubic root of 3. Then 2 plus 3, 5. 5 cubic root of 3. Subtract by 5 cubic root of 3. Then the answer will be 0. The difference between them, 0 here. We have number and the negative inverse of this number. Next question. If the perimeter of rectangle is square root of 300 meter, find the widths. We know he gave us in the example a perimeter and the length. We know the widths equal half of perimeter subtract by length. Then the widths equal perimeter divided by 2. The perimeter here was square root of 300. We can write divided by 2 subtract by length equal square root of 27. Then the width equal square root of 300 equal 10 root 3. Because 300 equal 3 times 100 and square root of 110. 10 product by root 3 over 2. Subtract by square root of 27. It will be 9 product by 3. We can complete here. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. Okay. Then the width equal 5 root 3. Subtract by square root of 9 equal 3. 3 root 3. Then 5 minus 3 equal 2. Then the answer will be 2 root 3. Okay, it's the width and write meter behind it. Understood? We must use this rule to find the width of perimeter. Next question. He gave us here square has an area 144 square meter. Find the length of diagonal. Okay. We know the area of square equal half diagonal power 2. The area will be 144 equal half diagonal power 2. Then the diagonal power 2 equal 2 product by 144. Then 2 times 4 equal 8 and 2 times 4 equal 8. 2 times 1 equal 2. Understood? Cancel half by product by 2, left hand side, right hand side. Then the value of d equals square root of this number 288. We know 288 equals this number. Then the square root equal 12 square root of 2 because square root of 144 equal 12 and the square root of 2 equals square root of 2. Then the answer here right meter. Okay, next question. Now we will solve a home performance A. Okay, solve this question. Find the simplest form of this example. We have 36 all power n product by 5 all power 2n over 30 product by 30 all power 2n. We can simplest this example. We know 36 equal what? 6 times 6 and 6 equal 2 times 3. We can write 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. Write n because 6 times 6 36. And also we can complete 5 power 2n and denominator 30 equal 5 times 6 and 6 equal 2 times 3 and write power 2n and power 2n and power 2n. We can sample this 2 number and also 2 power 2n is equivalent this number here. You can write 2 product by 3. n plus n equal to n. You can eat because we can eat n plus n because we have two similar bases. If we product two bases, we must eat the powers n plus n equal to n. And also 3 power n product by 3 power n, we can eat together 10 plus 10 equal to n. And numerator 2 power 2n, right, subtract by 2n, and 3 power 2n subtract 2n, because we have here difference between two powers. If you find the difference between numerator and denominator about its powers, you must write first subtract by second, because we have like numerator. So we have two rules. If we product two bases, we must eat two powers, and if we want to divide it two bases similar, you must find the difference between two powers. Then the result here will be 2 power 0 product by 3 power 0, then 2 power 0 1 and 3 power 0 1, then 1 by 1 equal 1. Then the answer will be 1 is the simplest form by this example. Okay, Next question here. Find the value of this expression here. Okay, it's number 3. Root 2 over 2 root 3 all power 4. We must distribute the power. 3 power 4 product by root 2 power 4 over 2 power 4 product by root 3 power 4. We can write here 3 power 4 product by. We know root 2 power 4 it's equivalent to root 2 power 2 or power 2. Root 2 power 2 it will be what? Will 2 power 2. And here 2 power 4. And also root 3 power 4 it's equivalent to root 3 or power 2. Like here 2 or power 2. And root 3 times itself it will be 3 power 2 here. Then you can simplify, write 3 product by 2. You can collect the similar about 3 power 4 divided 3 power 2. We can find the difference between 2 powers, 4 minus 2. And also here we can write this number. You can write here 2 minus 4. Okay, because we have 4 in the numerator. Then you can write 3 power 2 product by 2 power 2 minus 4 equal negative 2. Then 3 power 2 equal 9. 2 power negative 2 equal 1 over 2 power 2, it will be 4. The result will be 1 over 4 times 9. The result will be 9 over 4. Then the answer here 9 over 4. Okay, same with example. Next question. If a square root of 8, the value of a equal square root of 2 root 2, because 8 equal 4 times 2 and square root of 4 equal 2 and root 2. Then the value of a equal 2 root 2. And he give us this information, p equal a over 2. Then the value of b half of a. Right, 2 root 2 over 2. This is the value of b equal root 2. This is the value of b. Okay, he won't find e power 3 plus p power 5. Then e power 3 here equals this number 2 root 2 all power 3 plus p power 5 root 2 all power 5. Then 2 power 3 equal 8 product by root 2 all power 3. Okay, don't worry, I will simplify it. Okay, and this number root 2 power 5 we can write 2 root 2 power our side here product by root 2 power 4. Okay, you must use this tip to find the answer. You must convert the power here from odd to even, because half of even cancels the power. Or you must write here also root 2 power 3 it will be root 2 product by root 2 all power 2. Understood? Plus root 2 product by root 2 all power 4, half of power cancels the root. The result will be 2 power 2. Okay, half of power, half of 4, 2. Or 4, you can write 4 equal 2 times 2. We can write root 2 times itself 2 power 2. And here, write 8. And also, root 2 power 2 equal 2 times 8 outside equals 16. Then we have 16 root 2. Plus root 2 here times 2 power 2, 4. Then the answer here 4 root 2. Then we can collect them here. 16 plus 4 equal 20. Right, 20 root 2. Okay, then the answer here 20 root 2. Understood? It's the first question. Okay, we have also here a product by b all power 3. A product by b, a was 2 root 2 and b half of a equal here root 2, all product by 3. Okay, we have the value of a and the value of b. And then the answer will be 2 product by root 2 times root 2 equal 2. 2 times 2, 4 all power 3. 4 power 3 equal 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. 16 times 4 equal 64. Next question. If 3 power x equal 5, then the value of 3 power x plus 1. We can write 3 power x product by 3 power 1. 3 power x gives this information here 5. 5 product by 3 equal 15. Then the answer here will be 15. Next question. Find the simplest form of this example and then put value of find the value expression when value of x equal to. First we have 8 power x product by 9 power x over 18 power x. We must convert from this number to prime. Why? Because 8 equal 2 times 2 times 2, it will be 2 power 3. 2 power 3 product by x, and here also 9 equal 3 power 2. Alright, 3 power 2 product by x, and 18 equal 2 times 9, and 9 equal 3 power 2. 3 power 2 equal 9, 2 times 9 equal 18. Okay, and x here product by x. We must raise the power, convert here from this number to exponential form. Okay, 2 power x and 3 power 2x, because 3 power 2x it will be 9, 2 times 9 18. You must distribute the power product to numbers, and then we have two bases, 2 and 3. You can cancel this, divided by itself it will be 1, and then you can write 2 power 3x over 2 power x. The result will be 2 power 3x subtract by x. This answer equal 2 power 2x. At x equal 2, he gives this information in the example. At x equal 2, the value will be what about the expression? It will be 2 power 2 times 2. Put x here equal 2. Okay, we must cancel x and write 2. Put x equal 2, because x equal 2 satisfies this expression. Then the answer will be 2 power 4. 2 times 2, 4. 2 power 4 equals 16. Then the answer here equals 16. Next question. Now we will solve weekly assessment. Letter A. We want to find the result about cubic root of 2 plus cubic root of 2. We can add together by the coefficient here, 1 plus 1 equal 2. Then the answer will be 2 cubic of 2. But this number not in the answer, so you must simplify by put 2 under the cubic root by product 2 itself 3 times. Okay, right here cubic root of, we have 2 here and 2 down here, 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times. Okay, then the answer will be cubic root of 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. Okay, choose letter D. Next question. We have square root of 5 subtract by square root 2 product by square root of 5 plus square root of 2. We can find the result by product conjugate number, first by first and second by second. Root 5 times root 5, it will be 5. Root 2 times root 2 equal to 5 minus 2 equal 3. Then the answer here will be 3. Next example here answers the following. We have the value of x and value of y. We can find the simplest this number in the simplest form about x product by y. Look at here, x and y is the conjugate number. Then the answer will be first by first and second by second. Look at here, if we product x by y, we have square root of 2 minus 2 product by square root 2 plus 2. Then the answer first by first and second by second. Then the difference between them equal negative 2. It's the first question. Letter A and letter B, we have x plus y. He wants 2 numbers, x and y. X we have root 2 plus minus 2, and y root 2 plus 2. We have here the number root 2 and root 2, it will be 2 root 2. And negative 2 plus 2 will be 0. We have 2 numbers additive inverse each other. Okay, then the result will be 2 root 2. Next example here, number 4. Find the simplest form of this number, cubic root of negative 16 subtracted by square root of 28 plus cubic root of 54 subtracted by 14 over root 7. We can sample this example. Cubic root of negative, write negative outside, and the cubic 16 equal 8 times 2. And square root of 28, 28 equal 4 times 7. And cubic root of 54 equal 27 times 2. And this number 14 over square root of 7 product by root 7, numerator and numerator, equal, right, negative cubic root of 8 equal 2, 2 cubic root of 2, square root of 4, 2, square root of 7, and this number cubic root of 27 equal 3 product by cubic root of 2, root 7 times root 7 equals 7, and write 14 up and square root 7. We can simplify this number here, negative 2. Look at here about the steps with me again. Okay, look at here. Look at here about these steps. This number negative 2 cubic root 2 by this number positive 3 minus 2 1. Then the result will be cubic root of 2. And this number negative 2 square root of 7 subtract by 14 divided by 7 equal to square root of 7. Okay. Then the answer we write, it was negative and negative. Okay. Understood? Okay, and we have also negative plus positive 3 minus 2 1. We can write cubic root of 2 and negative 2 plus negative 2 negative 4. Then the answer negative 4 square root of 7. It's answer by this question. The simplest form. Okay. Next question. Number 5, simplest expression. We have square root of 3 or power 6 reduced by square root of 3 power 4 over square root of 3 power 5 reduced by square root of 3 or power 3. Now we can collect the powers because we have similar bases. 6 plus 4 equal 10, and also in numerator 5 plus 3 equal 8. Then we can write square root of 3, 10 minus 8 equal 2. Root 3 power 2, it will be 3, reduced by itself. Understood this example? Next question. Group B, square root of 3 plus square root of 3. We can add together, the result will be 2 cubic root of 3. Cubic root of 3 plus cubic root of 3, we can add together, the result will be 2 cubic root of 3. Where is the answer? We can put 2 under cubic root by product by 2 itself 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then the answer will be what? 8 times 3 equal 24. Then the result will be cubic root of 24. Next question. We have square root of 15 subtracted by square root of 12 product by square root of 15 plus square root of 12. First by first and second by second, then the difference between them equal 3. We have x and y. We want to find x product by y. The value of x root 5 minus 2 product by y root 5 plus 2. Root 5 times root 5, 5, and negative 2 times 2, negative 4. 5 minus 4 equal 1. Letter B, x plus y. We have root 5 minus 2 plus root 5 plus 2. We add together negative plus positive 0, negative 2 plus 2 0, and root 5 plus root 5 equal to root 5. Okay. It was question letter A and B. Next question, number 4. Square root of 18 plus cubic root of 54 subtract by square root of 216 over 12 subtract by cubic root of 16. This number we can write 9 times 2, and here write 27 times 2. 216 divided by 12 equal 18. Okay, and cubic root 16 equal 8 times 2. You can write square root of 9 equal 3. Then the answer here 3 root 2. Cubic root of 27 3, and 3 reduced by cubic root of 2. Square root of 18 equal 9. You can write 9 reduced by 2, and here cubic root of 8 equal 2 cubic root of 2. This number we can sample it will be 3 root 2. We can cancel together 0, and this also 3 minus 2 equal 1. The answer will be cubic root of 2. Okay, Next question. Find the result. Square root of 5 all power 5 product by square root of 5 power 8 over square root of 5 power 4 product by square root of 5 all power 5. Here we can write square root of 5 and 8 power 5 plus 8 13. Square root of 5 and 4 plus 5 equal 9. And then we can write square root of 5 and 13 minus 9 equal 4. Root 5 power 4, it will be 5 power 2. 5 power 2 equal 25. Next question. Group C. We want to find cubic root plus 5 plus cubic root of 5. The result will be 2 cubic root of 5. We can write 2 down here. Write cubic root 5 product by 2 by 2 by 2. Cubic root of 5 times 8 equal 40. Okay. Choose letter A. Next question. Product by root 7 minus square root 4 and square root of 7 plus square root of 4. First by first equals 7 and second by second equal 4. 7 minus 4 equal 3. Next example. We have x and y. He wants to find the value of xy and x plus y. Letter A, we have x product by y. X here, root 3 minus 5 product by root 3 plus 5. First by first and second by second. The result will be negative 22. See letter A. Letter B, x plus y. We have x was root 3 minus 5 plus y root 3 plus 5. We can cancel together and root 3 plus 3 equal to root 3. Okay, next question. Find the simplest about this example. 5 root 2 subtract by half product by root 100 200 subtract by cubic root of 5 product by cubic root of 25. This example 5 root 2 square root of 200 200 equal 100 times 2 square root of 100 equal 10. Then the answer here 10 root 2 and the cubic root of product 5 times 25 equal 125. 5 root 2 and half of 10 5. 5 root 2 cubic root of 125 equal 5. We can cancel together. We have number and additive inverse. This answer will be negative 5. Okay, next question. Write this number in the simplest form. We have root 7 all power 6 product by root 7 all power 2 over root 7 power 3 product by root 7. We can add two powers. 6 plus 2 equal 8. And here root 7 power 3 plus 1 equal 4. And then write root 7 over power what? 8 minus 4 equal 4. And this number we can write root 7 all power 2 all power 2. Because root 7 product by itself it will be 7. 7 power 2 equal 49. Okay, this answer here we write 7 power 2 equal 49. Okay, next question. Now it's finished. Okay, next time I will explain 5th week. Okay, my students, goodbye.